Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing fine and studying well. So CA exams are just around the corner and I can completely understand what you all must be going through. Even when I'm talking about all this, I can feel and recall myself in the exact same spot a few months back. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about a few do's and don'ts which you must follow in these last few days, which can be a game changer for you apart from the constant hard work you're putting into studying. So the very first thing is trusting yourself, trusting your mind and trusting your memory. It might happen a lot of times that you feel like you're forgetting certain things and you start to panic that what's going to happen if I forget this in exam. This fear can prove to be very disadvantageous for you. Trust me, you are going to recall what you have studied in those 3 hours. So this is one fear which you must overcome. The next thing is focusing only on the present and the future. Stop thinking about what could have been done and focus only on what you can do now. How you can make the most of the time you have in your hand now. Free yourself from any of the guilt or regrets about not utilizing your time properly any time in the past. The next thing which you must not do is comparing your growth or position in studies with your friends. Everyone plans differently, everyone studies differently, hence there is no point in comparing your studies with anyone else. It will only make you anxious and waste your valuable time. Next very important thing is proper sleep, proper food and adequate small breaks in between your hectic study schedule. Just do not compromise on your sleep ever. In the short term, you'd feel like you're completing your targets, but in the long term, it can seriously hamper your exam preparations. Also, a few small breaks will increase your concentration, effectiveness and productivity. So the next thing which can really help is affirmations. Whenever you feel stressed, afraid or underconfident, write, speak or think about something positive. For example, I'm gonna clear my exams in this attempt. I'm gonna score an exemption in all the subjects. I'm happy and confident. I remember whatever I've studied or anything else you'd like to affirm whatsoever. Now last and the most important thing. These exams are just a very small part of your life. Never make the mistake of giving these exams the importance more than they deserve. Everything comes after you. Your priority should be you yourself first and everything comes after that, including these exams. Don't let the exams or anything else affect your mental health. It's not worth it, trust me. Just trust the universe, try to be as positive as you can and stay happy. Do things which brighten up your mood. For example, talking to your family or watching an episode from your favorite TV show. Give your exams with confidence and full faith in the hard work you have put in. And leave everything else on the God. All the best. You're gonna rock it, I'm sure. Take care of yourselves and study well.